Happy Monday. I am headed to the gym and you guys are coming with me today. I'm going to skip out on the class and just do my own thing today because I'm moving in slow motion. It's Monday. It's raining outside. I had a really late night. I went to sleep at like 2 o'clock. So I'm still a little tired. But quick little fits. So this little crop tank is from H&M. The pants are Nike. I really need to reach out to them because 90% of my workout gear is from Nike. I really do love Nike though. Like it's the dry fit pants are my absolute favorite. I'm running quite behind today because usually I'm already at the gym and getting started by now. So I'm going to run downstairs and do a really quick breakfast. I don't know. I'm not even that hungry. Usually on days like this, I'll just eat a boiled egg and just keep it moving. But I didn't even boil any eggs. So I might just do some egg whites and fruit or something like that. I'm just not that hungry this morning. So, let's go downstairs. I'm trying to chit chat with you guys a little bit more because y'all said that the vlogs aren't long enough. And look, to me, 15 minutes, I'm like, okay, this is a long little video, but vlogs typically are within the 30-minute range. So I'm definitely going to work on making them a little bit longer and not cutting out so much footage. Not a big coffee person, but I am going to make me an iced coffee this morning because I need the energy. Tired. Had like a really good workout. I just did 20 minutes jump rope and 20-minute cycle. Let's see what we burn today. I feel like in the classes I burn a little bit more because the classes are usually non-stop 45 minutes. But I did take a little bit of a break. So let's see what we burn today. So not bad. I burned 275. In the class, I probably would have burned 350, 400. So I'm about to jump in the shower. I feel like I need to run to the store and get some things for the week for dinner. But I'm about to hop in the shower. I feel like the lighting looks okay because I have the window open, but when I put this light on, it looks weird. So, is that okay? I don't know. Anyway, so y'all know in my last vlog, I was telling y'all that my skin was kind of acting up and I couldn't figure out what it was. So I recently added the La Roche-Posay facial moisturizer. Just wanted to try it out because I used the cleanser. And I think this is the culprit, y'all, because I stopped using it last week and now my face is cleared up. So I really think it's either this La Roche-Posay or it could also be the ordinary hyaluronic acid. But this is the newest item that I added to my routine and I think this is it. And I felt like because I used the cleanser that is super gentle and I haven't had any issues with the cleanser, but the moisturizer is something in it that is not agreeing with my skin. And I just want to show you guys my face now. As you guys can see, not a whole lot of bumps going on now. So I really do believe that it was the moisturizer. So this is why I don't really introduce too many new products in my regimen. I keep it really simple, but it's so tempting to try new things, especially being on social media. You see, this is good, that is good. And every time I try something new, my face is just like, what are we doing? So I'm just keeping it really simple. I'm cleansing with the Cetaphil cleanser. And on gym days, I go in with Dial. I'm gonna actually focus here where I sweat the most because I noticed since working out, I've been having a lot of this going on. So now I've been told that Dial isn't the best option. If you guys have any other antibacterial soaps that I can use. So I focus that Dial mainly just in this area because this is where I have gym acne, which I never thought I would deal with. I've never dealt with acne before. My face has always been pretty neutral. The rest of my skin is a different story. But my face has always been pretty neutral. I never had to deal with bumps. So I figured maybe it's because I'm getting older or something, but no, it's from the gym. Because as soon as I started working out is when I started getting breakouts. So I'm assuming it's from sweat. Clean this really good. I try to get all up in here too where the hat sits. So I'm just going in with this little concoction that I put together, which is turmeric and honey. Turmeric is great for inflammation, hyperpigmentation, gives a nice glow to the skin. And I've been really working on getting my skin back. And nobody want to be dealing with breakouts at my big age. So I looked up that anything in this area is either stress related, diet, or was it small intestine? So I might need to do a cleanse. I haven't done a cleanse in like 6 months or so. So I might be due for a cleanse too. Anyway, I'm rambling at this point. Like I said, I'm keeping it really simple. Glycerin is my best friend. Cetaphil moisturizing cream. So I'm prepping dinner. We're having fried rice tonight. I do have to stop at the store and get a few things, eggs, sesame oil. So before I head out, I just wanted to make a quick smoothie and I wanted to share this. It is a kale smoothie and it's really good because it has a really like refreshing taste to it. I know a lot of people kind of shy away from green smoothies because they taste really grassy, very earthy, but this one is super good. I'm gonna like stuff my Ninja cup with like about 3 handfuls of kale, like that much. And then you want to take 1 whole apple, and then you want to take 1 banana. Oh, and excuse my counters, I'm actually taking this epoxy off, so that's why you kind of see the black line there. This is the original color of the counters. You don't want to skip the juice of a lemon. The lemon and the apples just really make this taste very fresh. It cuts the green taste out of it and it's just super delicious. It's optional if you want to sweeten it or not. I feel like banana gives it enough, but I like to add a little bit of date syrup. You can also use agave, but I'm literally going to take like a half a teaspoon, and then I'm going to fill this up with water like halfway. Y'all have to try this. It's a great way to get your greens in, perfect for an after workout snack. If you just want to sip on something very refreshing, it's getting hot outside, I promise you, you are going to like this recipe. All right, so I'm pressed for time. I have to run to the store, go get the little one, and then get dinner started. So let's go. What did I need? Did I make my list? Eggs, sesame oil, butter. I always forget something. But it's so pretty out today. It's like 75, so it is so gorgeous outside today. Ooh, it's 4:45. I'm talking to y'all. Let me get out of here. Go get my baby. You can take your mask off, Jay.
Oh, I forgot.
So, what else did you guys do in school today besides the spelling bee? Sight work and this, that was the game I was just seeing. Huh?
What?
The game you just won 10 points on? The word game?
Oh yeah. 10 points.
That was good, Jace. That means you got 10 words right. Good job. Come on. Thank you.
And why you got the camera here?
Oh, I'm vlogging.
Huh?
I'm vlogging.
What's vlogging?
Filming.
Filming?
Mm-hmm.
In the car? I never saw you filming in the car before.
Yeah, I don't really vlog in the car like that. I try to be safe on the road and keep my eyes on the road. But they said they want longer vlogs. So, like, I'm trying to fill some footage in here and there and capture more of my day. So I just needed some eggs for my fried rice. I picked up more jasmine rice. I have to have jasmine rice. It's my absolute favorite. Have some vegan butter and sesame oil. So my chicken is nice and marinated. I just put soy sauce, ginger, a little bit of salt, and what else did I put? Garlic. Yeah, garlic, and that was it. So I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of cornstarch. I'm gonna make this like sweet honey sauce to kind of go on top of the rice, just to kind of switch it up a bit. I found a recipe on TikTok that I wanted to try. This up and pour this over the chicken. There our chicken. Green onion on the rice. I'm just gonna